All right, so we're going to go over metal drawer box construction versus wood construction in the PAC closet library. So you'll see that when I set your library up, I set you up with the Richelieu Optimize R. It's a not a super low end drawer box, but it is definitely economical. I think around $25 a pair for the sides, the um, fasteners for the front, and the slides. So the reason we're using these is that one, they're just a little bit cleaner, easier to put together, and they come in 14-inch increments and they're undermount. So what's really important is that if you deviate and you want to make your own drawer boxes, that is 100% fine. Just keep in mind when you deviate from metal drawer boxes, or if you want to do a side mount, that's also fine. A 14-inch increment, maybe an Acrite or something. Just keep in mind the 14-inch increments. So the reason we want to keep that is because all of our sections are 14-inch. If you go below 14 and you go to a 12-inch drawer, you will not have enough room to comfortably fit any folded clothes. So you're basically rendering that drawer, useless. So, and the other thing you want to avoid is going to a 16 because everything just starts to change when you go to 16. Think about that front line bore that the closet rod is sitting in. Now it's sitting 2 inches further forward, and now you're wasting a ton of space behind that closet rod. So 14 is ideal. Metal drawer boxes are ideal, but if you find a 14-inch slide that you like, that is 100% okay. Just try not to deviate from this modular depth for these sections of the 14 inches. Now, if you want to actually change this, all you have to do is select the other drawer guide, whatever you're using. So 563H does not have a 14-inch compatible drawer slide, I do not think. And maybe it's the let's see, DTC undermount. Let's just say they have a 14. When we switch to a different drawer guide that isn't a metal drawer box, then you get the ability to pick a drawer box again. So I do have a full Titus drawer box that comes with the library. The whole thing is made out of Titus, which kind of cool. You just have to find the slides that work with it for the 14-inch. All right, so once you change that, the other thing to keep in mind is it may not be fully compatible with the 32 millimeter boring system. If that's the case, it's either set up incorrectly, your drawer guide is set up incorrectly in Mozaik, and that's the same if you try to use a different metal drawer box. It may not be set up correctly. So if you want to avoid having issues, just make sure line boring or custom bore is set up for your drawer guides. So for instance, let's go to libraries and hardware. We'll go to guides. We'll go to the DTC undermount. And normally for the line bore, we would just turn all these off, all these holes. But we're going to let it drill its own holes inside of the section. It's not going to line up with the line bore, but that's fine. All your drawers will come out right, and it's not the end of the world. The only downside is that now that panel is not reversible. It is the only one, the only panel that will work for that spot, which not really a big deal. So long story short, use what's most comfortable for you. If you need to use wood drawer boxes, just make darn sure they are actually 14-inch slides and they're not going 14 and a half or 14 and 9/16 or something like that. Other than that, that's the only thing to watch out for. So there you go.